Hey guys, today we're going to be making sounds. I already made one, so you guys won't have to take the long way of me figuring out what to do and stuff. But here's the finished progress. I might add more if they have time, because I gotta go into an appointment soon. But we got this. Let's go. Wait, no. So I hope you guys loved the video, and just in case, if I don't figure out how to do the sound, these are how my videos are going to be doing.